Okay, Ford Transit that we had just before Christmas for a Halo. Now we're doing the next upgrade with some Alpine R2-S65C component speakers. And I'll show you why we're using these. Okay folks, here today we have a Ford Transit van. Custom, they're all pretty much the same. This is the paper cone speaker that comes out. Gotta be honest, a bit better than some other manufacturers, but it's a 4-ohm 25 watt plastic with paper cone. Molded to the car, it does the job, okay? But it doesn't really give you much enjoyment once you've got road noise and so forth. So what we normally do is soundproof the doors, and then we're putting in an Alpine speaker. Now this is a really nice high-end speaker with multiple layers there, so the excursion is really good. This is really heavy, so I'm struggling to hold it up. Nice big magnet on this, okay? So you're going to be looking at something like this, which is really high-end and cooled as well. The tweeter then, from a basic tweeter with a cap, comes to a directional tweeter and a nice crossover. Small as well, so we can get it in, because these work vehicles, even though they're vans, they tend to struggle with space. Okay, here we have the inner door card now. Just cleaning this up, and we're going to soundproof this side as well. So here's the soundproofing going in. Just tend to put it in where you can, just to strengthen the panel. The door is now soundproofed. That's a solid rather than a tinny knot. And here is the tweeter. Good thing about the Alpine I was talking about, I can get the best direction for the customer's ears. So if you're short, tall, we can sort that out. And here we have the speaker installed. And here now we have the finished article. Sounds really nice. Plenty of bass, plenty of mid-range, plenty of tops. If you're interested in a nice Alpine setup, come and see Waz, because Alpine is my middle name.